Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, weakness has been observed in all stock markets worldwide. The US markets ended in the negative, while Asian markets declined by approximately 1%. However, the 10-year bond yield and Brent crude prices have reached their lowest levels in several weeks. The 10-year bond yield is at 4.12 and Brent crude is trading below the mark of $75 per barrel, which is positive for our markets. But if we go through with the GIFT Nifty, then it is following to the Asian markets, US market, and it is down nearly 10 points. In fact, we saw substantial rally from the lows of 19,500 to 21,000 without any correction. And if there is any weakness in the market, then we may see the levels of 20,850 on the downside, which was lowest of the previous day. And below that, we can expect weakness up to 20,700. But if we go through with the option statistics, then now the support has shifted from the levels of 20,500 to 20,700. So the ideal strategy should be to look for adding position if there is any correction in the market. But if there is any currently having any long positions, then 20,850 should be the stop loss. 21,000, 21,050 may act as major resistance for the day, and we need to be more and more stock specific for the time being. Also for the Bank Nifty, there also we saw substantial gains, but on Wednesday, there was some correction. It closed below the mark of 47,000. The next level to watch out for would be 46,650 and 550 or 500. There we should look for adding some positions with a stop loss at 46,300. The broader pattern of the Bank Nifty is still positive, but it is advisable to create some position if there is any correction in the market or correction in the Bank Nifty. So ideal levels will be 46,550 and 450 levels to buy for. On the higher side, 47,250 going to act as resistance, and above that the chances of hitting 47,750 would turn bright. Nifty IT stocks did well, especially on the back of specific strength in Infosys, Wipro as well as TCS. Furthermore, upward activity is more likely as the 10-year bond yield is consistently falling, so which will help IT companies to do well in the near term. Also, if we go through with the other indices, then in that we feel that metal stocks should do well. Vedanta is forming some specific bullish formation, and there we are expecting further more strength. So if there is any correction, then close to 245 to 47 we should look for adding some positions, but with a tight stop loss at 240. On the higher side, the next level of resistance will be around 280 to 90. Also a few mid-cap IT companies like L&T Infotech, L&T Technology Services, they have managed to surpass their immediate resistance level. So there also we can expect some upward activity in the near term. Fertilizer stocks did well. Government companies, government PSU companies are consistently doing well, and in that we are going to keep a watch on stocks like Gujarat Alkali as well as Bank of India. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.